Hello guys, do this every morning and change your trading career. Are you tired of placing trades randomly, and whenever you do this you find out that this trend goes against you? Adopt this idea of trading with session. Trading with session is the most profitable scalping strategy any beginner can adopt in his early stage of trading. So if you can be able to master the session characteristics, you are good to go. But if you don't know, this video got your back. I will teach you the timing you're lacking in your trading journey as a beginner. Now let's move to the illustrative diagram to have clear understanding on how to capitalize on this strategy and change your life forever. So before we start, I want you to know that this video is basically capitalized on ICT London kill zone strategy. Now London strategy is, let me give you a simple definition for that, is when a lot of liquidity is injected in a market. I hope you understand. So it's when liquidities are mostly injected in a market. You get the point. So the illustration start from using 15 minutes time frame. That's a higher time frame, and this is how it happens. This is how this strategy works. We have 4 sessions in the market. We have Tokyo, we have Sydney, we have New York and London session. But you are making use of Asian sections and London section because Asian section is the most consolidated session we have in forex industry. So when the Asian sections opens, this is where it opens. I don't know the time, but you don't care about the time. But what matters for us is when we are awake. Maybe if you're in the eco side of US, maybe 3 o'clock a.m., you'll be awake to notice the volatility of London section. So the Asian sections open here and close here. Immediately there is always overlap in every section. So this is the overlap between the Asian section and London section. The London sections opens. Timing is very important, and when it opens, it breaks out the Asian low with this candlestick here. That's when our strategy comes into play. So we have a break of structure from what? From the Asian section. Remember, timing is very important. All this thing you're doing is happening between 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock p.m. in London time. Now, as you have defined your 15 minutes trading plan because you have a breakout structure, the next thing you should do is go to your other side, waiting for what? Your entry model. So I'm going to share the entry model with you now. The entry model you are looking for here is when the price moves low. Maybe this is our high. If it breaks from Asian high, it's the same thing that we apply in breaking low that we will apply in breaking up on the high side. So as it breaks off from this low of Asian section, we are looking for what? Order block entry and the fair value gap entry. These are the 2 entry model you need whenever you have a break of structure from Asian low. Is that clear? So I don't want to make this video to be too long, and that's why I simplify everything in this very zone. Moving to the live chart, some of you will be wondering, how do I identify the London kill zone or the Asian session? The only thing you need to do is go to your indicator. For those of you who are using TradingView, go to your sidebar, type market session. Once you have done that, there's a lot of market sections sitting on here. You have market section with times by trade travel chart, you have by Maxwell, you have by market FX, so many of them. But what I'm using is called the popular guy known as Louis Axon. So I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry if I did not pronounce your name well. So this is mine, and it doesn't end there. You're going to go click on setting to do some adjustment. Yeah, if you apply yours, all this session will be filled. You need to uncheck Sydney, uncheck New York range and New York time. So once you have unchecked that, go to your London, and closing time should be 14 o'clock p.m. That gives you the timing when to be off from the market. You understand? That's how you see how it labels the Asian section and the London section. Hope it's clear. So for those of you who are using Go Charter, we won't left you guys behind. We need to go to your side to show you same thing. This is a very nice trading app. I love it. I love TradingView, but I'm not familiar with it. But this is how you find your own session. You go to settings here, this settings here, and you move down below. You see sessions. You click on sessions. You see there's a lot of session you need to apply. If you're trading stock, you apply it. If you're trading MCX, crypto, and SME global session, all these things are there, but we are trading forex. Where our example today is on forex. So what Next thing to do is just click on this session label, you mark it out, this shading, you mark it out. So once you have done that, you're good to go. And if you look below, down below, you see where it was labeled New York section, close, you see the Asian section. So once you have given you this, you're good to go. I think there's nothing lacking. The same thing with TradingView. The only thing there is the beauty of TradingView. Now, but we got to use this one as our example. Now, look closely. This is Asian low because the time is about to elapse on Asian time. So this is, let's mark our highs and low. That's the first thing you need to do whenever London session is about to open. So we mark this high as our high of the Asian section, and this is our low. This is our low for the day. We mark it out. So let's see what will happen. Good. This is not a breakout structure. For those of you who are good in price action, the price is still struggling. If you use week to analyze this very event happening here, you will notice that there is losing momentum. This is the high candle. The next candle is below. This is indecision candle. The next candle is here. This shows you that this is not a good breakout. You wait patiently because you are still in timing. It's just till 9:30 a.m. in London session. So let's move further to see if our trading strategy will come out for the day. Fine. We still extend our low, waiting for days for breakout. Remember your timing, good one. This is a good breakout from the Asian low. Remember, this is Asian low. This is where the market opens in Asian time. So this is our low and this is our high. You get the point? So what are you looking for now? You're looking for two things. We have other block here and we have fair value gap. Which one will you go for? You need to mark the two because your risk to reward, you are going for 1:3. So if you're risking 1%, you divide it by 2, by 0.5 the first entry and 0.5 the second entry. That makes it 1% of your account. So we have that block sitting above here. So this is our other block. We extend it. We have 2 entries. Remember what I said? You use 2 entries, 0.5 and 1.5. So you divide by 1% of your account. So this is the fair value gap we're having. This fair value gap. So if you don't know how to pick your other block and watch the previous video, I will drop the link in the description. So this is a fair value gap. So now I'm risking 0.5% of my account. This is the first entry. I'll be hoping we target 1:4 or 1:5. Let me do 1:5 because this is a high liquidity section in the market. So this is my 1:5. 1 on fair value gap, 1 on the other block. So if it happens, I'm going for it. Now let's see what happens in future. Order is picked. We won this trade. So that's how I use this to develop my trading strategy. So that's how I use it to develop a trading strategy. So if you like what you learned today, kindly share with your friends, subscribe to follow my forex journey. See you in my next video. Bye for now.